But speaking of the gaming thing, how about Gucci doing their very first esports collab? You didn't see this coming. That, my friends, is a $1,600 Gucci X Fanatic dive watch. And you might think, hey, if you team up with a gaming organization, maybe you would do some sort of Android Wear digital type of thing. Nah. You go straight luxury.
Like Gucci.
Because it's part of the flex. I don't know. Is that the right way to say that?
Yeah. Isn't Gucci making like T-shirts for teenagers?
Like what
geared towards teens?
The gamer has become the aspirational thing, much like I was talking about earlier with the streaming. It's one of the aspects. YouTuber is the same. People will say, kids will say, how do I'm going to be a YouTuber too, or whatever. And so it's similar. And so if it's the aspirational thing, well, so is a $1,600 watch, a luxury watch. That's an aspirational good. So your favorite gamer is wearing the thing, the collab, and you want it too. Mm-hmm. Now, granted, if you're a kid and your favorite gamer's wearing it, you got to find $1,620. So I don't know type of part-time job you got, but I hope it pays well if you got to get this to belong to the club. Now, granted, why am I saying kids? Is that I don't mean that. Obviously, there's all kinds of gaming fans, including rich adults that can easily buy a Gucci X Fanatic watch.
Well, it seems like there's only 100 units.
Only 100 units, limited run. It's got to be these type of collabs, you know. There's a very intense video down there. Very intense video. The clock is running out. They walk up to the game stations. The clock is running out as it would be in the competitive moments of a game.
He takes it off, though.
He takes it off so he can watch it while he's playing without looking at his wrist. Maybe? It's like he keeps track of... I don't know, Will.
Oh.
Come on, Will. Stop poking holes in their commercial. Anyway, I don't know. It looks like a pretty cool design. I'm happy for them. What are you supposed to do? If you're Gucci, what are you supposed to do? You got to find some new customers. If you're Fanatic, what are you supposed to do? You got to find some sponsors and some deals. So I get it. It's cool. It's fine. And orange and black, I got no problem with orange and black, which is what they got going on. And actually, this is not the first collab. Oh, by the way, did you know Gucci's signature is GG?
Oh.
Can you please tell the people out there in the world what GG stands for? Because I have no idea. I'm 74.
You do.
I'm 74 years old.
I think I heard it from StarCraft like a long time ago. It means good game.
It means good game, yeah. Kirk was very angry right there. He was staring you down. Holy. It's not just StarCraft. It's everywhere. Everybody uses good game, GG. The other day, Will was playing Command & Conquer at home. The Command & Conquer re-release, not this Will, little Will. And he was just getting dominated on the online play. I don't know these guys with actions per minute. I don't know what's going on. But he got a couple of GGs on there in the chat.
Okay.
That's
positive.
Couple of GGs. So it's kind of a nice part of the culture, I think.
Yeah.
An encouraging part of the culture. We have water resistance to a depth of 660 feet and a super luminova, which means that you can read the time during late night League of Legends or Siege sessions. There's also a rubber strap, so it's useful underwater and for daily wear. I like that. I like a durable strap. Will, you know that. And Gucci's not the first one to attempt this. Apparently, they're catching up to Louis Vuitton, who they're going after esports fashion as well. How about that, Will? Esports fashion. You didn't think it was coming, but I'm telling you, it's coming. It's here, and it's coming.